What is Amism character accountability theory? This theory is actually an add-on to previous Amism theories. That means human perfections or matter refinements actually has necessary correlations with the background of its existences. That means the background determines the accountability. Whether it's political environment, individual environment and universal environment. When realities of the universes are taken into consideration, whether it's microscopic or macroscopic, or the realities of the visible world, everything has both internal, external, visible and invisible, background energy influences. This can be called as the vibrations of universe influence on matter. Anything which has life and consciousness senses this. Because humans has consciousness, only they can arrange this background energy for other life and matter around them. Universe does this using the quantum energy alignment. Human does this by discriminate invasions on what they has authority of. That means everything in universe undergoes so-called processes of mold, remold or extensions, based on background energy influences. For example, take ideas and ideologies. The character of ideas circulating in social world of humans are under consistent reformations. People may say any ideas have invisible biases of author, but even though these ideas have biases, the majority components or factors has social acceptances. These ideas reform or develop, adding more social acceptances values. Modern human life patterns, actually getting existences out of those permanence of human values. Amism character accountability theory is a universal theory, says that character of matters are determinants of the background reality constructions. That means a human being, if he takes only good from the structure, he erases all that is against his good construct, he will become perfect. That means input like matter energy, idea energy and programmings are good, he can be good successful human. Character accountability theory says that energies are mutually accountable. That means imperfections of matter is imperfections in alignments. That means all matter judgments has only present importance. From a wider perspective of time, all information of matter energies change. This again says the diversities actually exist because of this variations. One always different from the another. If you find two separate matter, similar has least possibility and hence character is diverse, or its further reactions may be different. Some character of matter antagonist, some composite, some complementary, some perpendicular. When saying about world and international politics of safety, perfections and world of equality, at the base, this can be attained by character accountability and arrangements. Autopilot is about character accountability. If you take examples of people attaining peak level victories in life, that ordinary humans can't imagine, they know this theory very well. That means when we say human world is always a struggle and suffer of competition survival, and people say an invisible aggressive behavior inherent in humans, through character accountability theory, we can say, judging human emotions and behaviors are associated with character accountability of matter environments.